Right, we're now going to cook sea bass fillets. So we've got a pan there which has been well oiled, and it's on medium heat. It's now hot, and we're going to add the fillets to it skin side down and cook them for 8 minutes. We'll turn it once. So there we are, they're skin side down, sizzling away nicely. We'll pop them on for 8 minutes and we'll turn them once. See them starting to go a little bit white around the edges. That's a good thing. Don't be tempted to move them and keep moving them around. Just let them sit there and then they'll be perfectly happy and cook beautifully. We've got about 4 minutes cooking time left, so I'm going to just flip these over with the fish slice and cook them for the remaining 4 minutes. Once those have had another 4 minutes with the skin side up on this occasion, then the flesh should be nice and white and piping hot, and then they're ready to eat. There we are, the sea bass is pretty well perfect. It's nice and sort of white and opaque, where you can't see through it and can't see the pinkness, and it's got this nice golden colour to it. We put a knob of butter on the potatoes and a little bit of mayonnaise there. There you go, bon appetito. It's turned out nice again, as they say in the northern parts. Turned out nice, isn't it? Hurrah. Enjoy.